Is there a hypernym for expense and income? I have several expenses and incomes in the application I'm currently coding. What can I call an entity like that is either positive, income, or negative? It should be related to money, if possible. Edit, not sure if I expressed myself clearly. I'm looking for a word like money transfer, stream or money that goes over the table, no matter which direction. A word that fits in a financial context.
In a ledger they would be entries. This URL. In a bank statement they would be transactions. The bank statement records your transactions: debit, credit, deposit, withdrawal. New Oxford American Dictionary, Thesaurus.
In accountancy there is a common phrase income and expenditure, but that's not the single word you asked for. You might find the term cash flow covers what you intended. Be careful of using that word when speaking with financial professionals though, because they may possibly interpret it with a specific meaning that is outside of your usage. For your application, positive cash flow would be money coming in, income, and negative cash flow money going out, expenditure. Broadly speaking, in a business context cash flow will be the instantaneous sum of income and expenditure, so you would hear someone say we have a month of heavy negative cash flow ahead of us, meaning that in aggregate, they expect their cash resources to be significantly reduced at the end of the period.
In banking terms this would be a transaction. It's overloaded in software industry, but in the financial industry it's well defined. Definition: a transaction is a business event that has a monetary impact on an entity's financial statements, and is recorded as an entry in its accounting records. Examples of transactions are as follows: paying a supplier for services rendered or goods delivered. Paying a seller with cash and a note in order to obtain ownership of a property formerly owned by the seller. Paying an employee for hours worked. Receiving payment from a customer in exchange for goods or services delivered.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.